Okay, this is a this is a fucking this is a moving mirror project. It's an idea I came up with. I have a dark kitchen and I needed a way to get natural light in there. And so I thought I could build a little mirror thing to reflect natural light and heat into a corner of my house. Yet real cobbled together. This is just a prototype, proof of concept type build, um, where I just wanted to see if it would even work, and it does. You can see here that there's quite a bit of light being reflected. I'm using like a cheap Chinese mirror for the moment, but eventually I'd like to get a nice proper mirror. And you can see a lot of light is being reflected into a dark, cold corner. And hopefully this will warm up the room as well. I've got a degree in software engineering, but this is very much physical, practical engineering, and electrical engineering, and that I have zero experience. I just wanted to see if I could even. I just wanted to challenge myself, see if I could even do this. I was completely content to just buy one online, but I could not find any sort of just moving mirror that tracks the sun. Nothing like that, unless it's like for a solar panel. So technically it doesn't actually track the sun, because I don't have any sort of sensors like that. It's it's a set it and forget it type thing. You line it up with this little joystick and click go, and it moves the mirror in an opposite direction as fast as the sun moves in the other direction. So technically it does work, but as far as the mirror knows, it doesn't. It's blind. It's blind and it's deaf. I'd love to make a version 2 or something, but for the moment, I think I'm pretty content with it as it is. But ugly, but it works. You know, I always think that you should do the best with what you've got, and I feel like this is as good as it's going to get without me buying, other pieces and things. If anyone can think of any improvements, I would love to hear them. I really don't know what else I could do with what I've got. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it for now. The code is available on my GitHub page if anyone wants to have a look. Feel free to use it, improve it, whatever. Yeah.